Hi everybody, I'm Donna, and today I'm going to be demonstrating some tack cleaning for you. I've got two different bridles here. I've got a biothane, which is a web that's coated with a polyurethane coating. They're great because they don't damage as easily from sweat. You can take them out in the ocean and ride and everything, and they're really heavy duty. So I'll be demonstrating that one. And then I've got a traditional leather bridle that I'll demonstrate as well. So to start with on our tack cleaning, just for a basic everyday after your ride kind of care, you want to clean your bit, get all the grass, any hay or any feed that's lodged in there. This bit has a cricket. You want to make sure that rolls nice and free. I use just a little nail brush to do that, and then I'm going to dip that bit in some clean water, rinse it off really good, and then take one of my clean towels here and dry that off. Don't worry about any rust on your bits. Horses tend to like that rusty flavor, so don't worry about that at all. I'm just going to take that same cloth, because it's barely damp, and use a general all-purpose spray. It actually says on here it's good for biothane, synthetics, or leather. I'm going to wipe my bridle down, paying extra attention to any surface that touches the horse, because that sweat and body oil, it will really hurt your biothane, but it can make that stitching break down over time. Some people will tell you biothane won't mold. I'm here to tell you it sure will. So take good care of it. You don't want to have any kind of moldy tack. So see how quick that was? That's just a good wipe down on everything there. I started using this biothane over in Hawaii, and I have a fair amount of it. I really like it. Now this is a traditional leather bridle. And if you were going to do a deep cleaning on something like this, you would take it all the way apart, clean every component real good, deep clean and deep condition your leather. Right now we're just going to clean that bit again, get any grunge out of it. Do the same rinse here in my clean water. And then just wipe that nice and dry. You can use your tack cleaning time as time to jam out or meditate or call an old buddy. Just whatever works for you. Take just a tiny little bit of this conditioner balm. Just a little dab will do you. And then I'm just going to touch on my surfaces here, and then I'll come back and rub that in good. Don't forget your slobber straps. They see a lot of use and abuse with slobber sweat and getting dipped in the trough. I don't know if you can hear my little air conditioner running in the background. I've got a air conditioner in my tack room, and that's kind of just a have to here with our climate. So if you can get set up that way, I highly recommend having a climate controlled tack room. Some people are forced to store their stuff in their trailer, and it gets hot in there, hard on leather. So the more daily care that you can do, the less deep you'll have to do. And if you take good care of your leather, it'll take good care of you. That's just a quick wipe down. If you're going to take it apart, take everything apart and do a real good deep clean.